First thing I need to determine is where to remove steel and how much. So I feel across the whole blade. This is quite even. Okay, you can hear the sound is thin enough. So what I will do, I start lightly on my 400 grade. Lighter pressure. And let's see whether it works or not. Stay there. Done. I will do another knife now. Same process. I evaluate where I want to remove steel. Same feel throughout. So it's quite good. Alternating strokes to remove any curls. Then a bit lightly all over because this knife is a bit thick. Same thing, top half, bottom half. Same thing, top half, notice that I'm following the curve, bottom half. Finishing, this is where I chase for the apex. I feel, oh, quite nice, by polishing stone. Okay, lighter pressure now. Okay, you wait here. Now I will test. This is a stem knife, so it is soft and it should be easy to sharpen. Voila, done. Quick and easy knife maintenance and sharpening.